If you're looking for a better solution to store some more gear in the rear of your 5th Gen 4Runner, we might have the solution for you. Let's get into it. All right, so what is a Molle panel? Molle is an acronym. It's a modular, lightweight, load-carrying equipment. It's basically a military term to describe a system that was made to attach things to anything from backpacks to even like, metal brackets like these or panels. And so what you can do is, using Molle straps or things like that, you can attach anything from, fire extinguishers, first aid kits, stuff like that, to a panel like this. And then if you run that same type of panel in other aspects of your life, maybe in the back of your driver's seat, maybe on your backpacks, then you really have kind of one system that uses the same mounting system. And then that allows you to basically standardize things across everything you do. So that's why somebody would install one of these. And so what we're gonna do is walk you through the install. It's pretty simple, and then kind of show you the end result. And with a little luck, you might learn something. All right, so we've got the Molle panel kit here. This is everything that comes out of the box. You've got some hardware, some mounting brackets, and of course the Molle panels. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the 3 mounting bolts that we will later reuse for the bracketry. So the first one's going to be in this corner here. The next one will be up top here. And then the last one is down here. All right, so you've got 2 brackets. One will attach up top, and these 2 will attach to each other. And that's what's gonna make up the mounting system for the top of the Molle panel. So you'll angle that up, they'll line up with the bolt up top, and then the slotted holes here is where the Molle panel will attach to. So you wanna assemble this first. We are using the Allen head bolts and the lock nuts provided in the kit. All right, we're assembling the 2 brackets. You want to leave everything snug, but not so tight. You want to allow a little bit of play until you can get everything seated properly. Okay, so you've got your mount assembled. We're going to go ahead and now attach it to the Molle panel. We do this here because it's harder to reach once it's attached with the window on the back side. This allows you to get everything fairly snug and allows you to leave some play so you can position everything. All right, so we've got the mounting bracket assembled to the panel, and we're now ready to attach it up at the top mount. You're going to use the beveled side of the supplied bolt here, and that will go towards the vehicle. You'll notice the other one does not have a beveled side, and that tells you which one goes where. Towards the back hatch of the vehicle, you're going to use the side that's beveled and just hand tighten that in. The non-beveled bolt is going to go towards the front of the vehicle here. All right, so now that you've got your spacers bolted in, we're going to go ahead and attach the mounting hardware to the spacers and use the original mounting hardware up top to attach the bracket. Using the slotted mounting holes on the Molle panel, you'll slide the bolt, align it with your spacer, and just get that started. Same thing on the other side. As you get to the front of the vehicle here, you're going to take the Allen screw and just kind of hand tighten it onto the spacer. All right, now go ahead and tighten everything up once you have it where you like it. Now we're going to go ahead and tighten the mounting bracket to the Molle panel so that there's no more play. Using the original hardware, you're going to go ahead and bolt the top mounting bracket assembly and get that all started as well. Now that we've got the bracket tightened up, you can see why it's important to make sure you pick the correct bracket. This one is passenger side, and so the kick out on that second bracket faces towards the front of the vehicle here. Switching to the driver's side here, you're going to do all the same exact process again. Once you've got everything mounted up, tighten everything down. Pretty solid. Last but not least, we'll slap on the bottle opener. Once you've tightened everything up, you've got your Molle panel installed. All right, so we've installed the Molle panels on both sides of the truck now. Now you know how to do it, so hopefully you learned something. Maybe we'll do another video showing, some of the accessories and things that this system allows us to attach. But this was just an install. So without further ado, thanks for watching.